Welcome! Logging into your affiliate dashboard will give you access to the latest promotional information, account administration, data on your incentive progress, and much more. So let's get you started. First, follow the link to Excelerate America's partner login page and input the email address used to sign your Excelerate America agreement. You will then get an email in your inbox where you'll find a link to log you in. Once logged in, you'll land on the homepage of your dashboard, where you'll find easy access to set up your account, invite your team, and visit our help center. Here you'll also find data on your incentive progress, including current sales, program referrals, and new business accounts. You'll also be able to see a breakdown of signups on our top programs. In the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a link to our programs. Here you can access a custom link to promote all of Excelerate America's programs, as well as an info card for each of the savings programs Excelerate America offers. Each card will take you to a specific program page, which contains a brief overview of the program and how it can benefit your members, as well as a collection of materials to help you promote the program to your membership. Let's click on ODP Business Solutions to see more. Here you'll find your custom registration link for the program, your current sign-up data, and a selection of marketing materials to help promote the program to your members. To learn more about a marketing material, click View Material to see a preview. Then click Download to save the material to your computer and begin using it to promote the program, along with your unique registration link found at the top of the program page. Under My Profile, you can update company information, contact information, and add team members, allowing others from your organization access to your dashboard. Click Invite Your Team and input their information to send an invite. To remove someone's access to the dashboard, click the red X next to their name and then click Remove Team Member. Lastly, visit the Help Center to find answers to common questions and to reach out to our team for any additional help. Thank you for being a valued member of Excelerate America. We hope you enjoy exploring all that this new feature has to offer you and your team.